You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. This is a name, and this is also the type of sponge cake, originally from France, so the name is French too. Madeleine is the French pronunciation. Madeleine. Madeleine. In English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, Madeleine. Madeleine, sometimes said in English as Madeleine, but in French, Madeleine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.